Hello everyone, thank you for visiting our channel. Today we wanted to show you how we put together and decorate this cake.
We are making the cake out of a classic vanilla cake, peach juice, whipped cream cheese, and canned peaches. All of the needed recipes are on our channel.
After the cake was in the fridge for 6 hours, we make the Swiss meringue buttercream. We level the cake with it. You don't need to level the cake perfectly, because we will be decorating the outside of the cake with edible lace.
For the flowers, put some cream into a bowl and color it. For that, add 1 drop of peach food coloring to a small portion of the cream. Add a bit of white cream to that portion, and therefore you make a gradient.
Next, we do the same with 1 drop of electric red. Place all of the cream into the piping bag and get rid of the air bubbles.
Do the same coloring method with the colors fuchsia and burgundy wine. You can see that only using 4 drops of food coloring, you can make flowers with a beautiful, smooth gradient. The process takes longer this way, but the outcome is worth it.
On the fresh buttercream place the edible lace, which we made from the base of the cream ChantiFlex. Cut off the excess lace. Now we will begin making the flowers. Using the tip 𝗏𝗏26K 𝗏𝗂𝘁𝗄 make a rose.
Because we forgot to make the green cream, we will be making it now. For this cream, you will need the colors neon bright green, mojito, moss, teal green, and fuchsia. Adding 1 drop of food coloring, we hope to get the coloring that will work for this composition. Using tip number 352, make the leaves for the rose. Next, we will need the tip number 131 and white buttercream. Use tip number 104 for the small roses.
Put all of the colored cream into the piping bag with tip for tulip. Put the flowers wherever you want on the cake.
Thank you for watching this far into the video. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.